Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back. Mrs. Rubio here. And remember, I'm your team's teacher. By now, you should know what team stands for. T stands for technology. E stands for engineering. You got that right. A stands for art. M stands for math. S stands for science. Hooray, kiss your brain. You're getting it, boys and girls. So today we are going to focus on engineering. Remember, I told you that we would focus on engineering, building things, making. So now we're going to talk about what do engineers think? How do they come up with great ideas to make things? How do they solve problems, boys and girls? So our objective for you today is for you to understand the engineering design process. How do engineers think? How do they process? So the first thing an engineer does, they go through these steps. They go through the engineering design process. And then the first thing they do is they ask themselves, right here, they ask, what is the problem? What is the problem? What are some of the consequences? What are some of the solutions? What do I have? What can I make? So they ask themselves if they can solve a problem and the materials that they have to solve the problem. Number two, the question number two they ask themselves is, they have to imagine. They have to brainstorm solutions and what is like the best idea to solve the problem they had. Okay. The next part of the engineering design process is the plan. Super important, the plan. What materials do you need to solve the problem here? So a lot of the times in the plan, they draw pictures, they plan it out, and they come up with solutions in their plan. They draw things and they keep on going. All right, boys and girls, and we'll talk more about the plan. The next part would be the create. They follow the plan and they test the outcome. They look at the plan, what did they draw, what did they make, and then they create something. So they built it, they make it, and then they test. Okay, did it work out? Did their plan go through? So they test it out. After they test, they might realize, you know what? I think I can make it better. So then they decide they're going to improve. How are they going to make things better? What went wrong? What went right? So they go through all those questions and then they realize after the improve, they go back to create. Should I make it again? What can I change to make it better? And then they test it again and they improve. So a lot of the times is spent in creating, testing, and improving, making it better. The first time you make something, it might not be the best, but then the next time you make it, you're like, oh, I could change that. I could make it better. So the challenge for you this week is you are going to make a path. You're going to have two characters and you're going to make a path between them. The path can be on the floor, or maybe the path could be like a bridge. You show me what you can come up with. I will leave some examples following in the next video, okay? Bye, boys and girls. See you soon.